We'll guide you through how to check old stories on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So as you've probably found, when you go and post a story on there, it goes and expires after 24 hours. Others then can't go and see it, but you can. Now it's important to note, we'll need to make sure you have the correct setting turned on. If you don't, we can go and turn it on now, and going forward you can, but we'll be able to go and look at the old stories that we've gone and posted. If you wanted to, you can then go and repost them. And if you want, you can actually go and create highlights with them. So you can go and have them on your profile, and then they'll go and stay there after the 24 hours. So these are archived and expired stories you can add back to your profile, only the ones you choose, and people can go and view them again, or you can just go and look at them for yourself. So to go and get started with this, you need to come to your Instagram profile page. So press your profile icon in the bottom right, you'll be brought here. Then we need to go and open up the settings by pressing the three lines in the top right. Here, you then need to go and scroll down all the way down to your app and media. And in here, you need to go and find archiving and downloading, and you need to come into here. At the top, you need to go and have save story to archive switched on. It says automatically save photos and videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them to your phone. Only you can see your archive. So you want to make sure that's switched on. That's super key. Now, because that's already switched on, my stories I've already taken are going to be in the archive. Switch it on, and that'll happen to you going forward. And then what you want to do is come to the top of settings and activity, and you can then go into how you use Instagram, and you can go and find archive, and you can go and tap there. Then you want to make sure at the top, you choose stories archive. There are different options, or you can just press it over to the left at the top. And here are my different stories here. I can scroll back through them and go and see the different stories I've gone and posted. As I said, you can actually go and put them back on your profile if you want to, or you can repost it. For example, here, I could go and tap on this one here. At the bottom, what I could then do is go and press share. If I go and press that again, and then what I can do is go and post it on my story again, or I can go and put it on my profile by making a highlight. So I could press highlight in the bottom right, and I can then go and press add. You can add multiple here as well. As you can see, I can press view on profile, and there it is. I can then tap on it and go and see that it's now there. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can just go back and look at your highlights for yourself, and that's it. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this. Feel free to go and check out more how-tos on the channel as well, and put any suggestions down below. I look forward to help you again in the next one.